With Checkster, the candidate experience is simple. Having your references checked can be a frustrating process. And with Checkster, this process is easy, and it puts you as the candidate in control. And you'll look something like this when the process is through. Here's how it works. As a candidate, you'll receive an email or a text message with an invitation to begin. And the email will say something like this. Once you've clicked on the link, you'll use your personal email address and a password of your choosing to access your Checkster account. Once you've logged in, you'll be brought to your personal Checkster portal. From here, you'll have the ability to add references: first name, last name, email address or cell phone number, and the relationship you have to the individual are all required. A helpful tip is to note that professional email addresses are usually preferred. You can invite one reference at a time, or several all at once as long as your checkup is still open. Most employers ask for 7 references to be invited, and some may ask for more, and some may ask for less depending on their specific process. The more you invite, the better helps speed up turnaround time and makes you appear as a stronger candidate. While your checkup is still open, here's a few helpful tools within your account that'll help you better manage the process. Once you've logged in, you'll be able to view who you've invited with what details. Click the red pencil icon to edit information, and the red trash can icon to remove them as a reference. Here you can see who's responded and who hasn't. You can also send thank yous and reminders. Please note, reminders also send an additional link. You can also manage email notifications and opt to receive a daily status report if you don't want to log into Checkster every day. This will help speed up turnaround time and stay on top of the process. Please note, it's okay to invite current colleagues as the feedback they provide represents their personal experiences and not that of their employers. And depending upon the settings, the feedback they give may even be kept confidential. It's also important to let your references know that the survey is on its way. They should look out for an email or a text message inviting them to provide feedback. This step will be really helpful for your checkup to be completed faster. Once your recruiter has received enough responses, they'll complete your checkup. When it's been completed, they'll be able to view the results in an easy-to-read report. It's important to note that some references may or may not be able to respond after your survey has been completed. This typically means that the employer is viewing the results of your report. Have any questions? Please feel free to reach out to our support team. We're here to help, and you can reach us at support@checkster.com or by phone at 866-800-0709. Thanks, and happy reference checking.